Hi, my name is Jack Semra.
And I'm Thomas Kim.
In this lab 1.5, we'll be looking at the decomposition of copper-2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate and the effects after we apply some heat to it. Let's jump right into the lab. First, we'll take a crucible and put it on our table. Then we'll go and select the material we want for this lab, which will be our copper mixture, and add 5 grams to the crucible. Next, we will weigh and see how much our crucible plus mixture weighs. Exactly 93.000 grams. Next, we will take the crucible off the weight and put it on the Bunsen burner. At low heat, we can observe that the contents within the crucible change color eventually. As this is going on, water is slowly evaporating, and this is generating a lot of heat inside the crucible. We should see a drop in mass as our prediction here. Okay, let's turn the Bunsen burner off and see what we got. Careful, steaming hot. Let's weigh it again. As predicted, our new mass is lower at 91.327 grams.
Now we will look at the reaction that goes on inside the crucible. When copper-2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate is heated, it decomposes into carbon dioxide, copper oxide, and water vapor. We started out with an initial mass of 5 grams of copper-2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate, and including the mass of the crucible and the lid, our total mass was 93 grams before heating. After heating, the mass came down to 91.327 grams. 93 minus 91.327 gives us 1.673 grams of water vapor and carbon dioxide that evaporated and left the crucible. 5 minus 1.673 grams gives us 3.327 grams of copper oxide that's left in the crucible.
And now to wrap up the lab, we gotta clean up and put all of our stuff away. In conclusion, we heated copper-2 carbonate hydroxide hydrate using a Bunsen burner, and that material was stored inside our crucible, which is used to heat materials, and the scale was used to measure the mass of the material in the crucible. Dump everything off the table, and we are done. Thank you for watching.